Hello computer geeks, I can see that you have bumped into this video and I assume that you have already visited our website. We are a bunch of computer students from PDU trying to spread knowledge through our work and skills. We are Team 15 and we have built this website to make people aware of the most important part of their wonderful computers, which is what actually makes their devices usable. It is none other than your operating system. There are many more such teams working under the guidance and vision of our mentor Chintan sir. So if you are willing to learn more about the different aspects of an operating system and the algorithms that your OS uses to give you this great experience, then please do visit our website. The link is in the description. So we have already hosted our website on Github, as you could see, and you can access all the code files from here. The link to this page is also in the description. An operating system follows different algorithms to deal with these four things: the page replacement, the disk scheduling, the CPU scheduling, and concurrency and deadlock. So our seniors, Kunal, Darshan, Ashil and Neil, have already worked upon page replacement algorithms in this website. They've explained their entire module in detail on their YouTube video, and we have kept a link to their YouTube video in the description below. So please do check it out. So in this video, I'm only going to talk about the work that my team and I have done. So let's jump right into the website. This is my team and this is me. I am Hansal and I am a second year undergraduate student pursuing computer engineering at Pandit Dindayal Energy University. And these are my hardworking and smart colleagues. These are our seniors and they have worked upon the disk scheduling algorithms. So I'll be giving you a tour of this website and how you could use it. This is the homepage of our website. Here you can find all the basic information about what an operating system is and what it does. Here we have included a short video explaining the same. The link for this video can also be found in the description. These are the links to the four modules that I have talked about earlier. From this, page replacement and disk scheduling algorithms have already been implemented. The remaining two, that is the CPU scheduling and the concurrency and deadlock, would soon be implemented by our juniors. And finally, this is the footer section of our website. Here, the link to all the web pages of this website is made available to the user. The final two links would direct you to the GitHub repository and this YouTube video respectively. You could also see that we have included a search box in the navigation bar. So this will actually give the user suggestions to go on different web pages as per their search request, something like this. Right? Okay. Now, this is the page replacement algorithms page. We won't be taking you through this section since it has already been showcased by our seniors in their video. So do check it out. Now let's have a look at disk scheduling algorithms itself. Okay. So this is the landing page for this algorithm. Here all the basic information and importance of this algorithm is provided in this about section. And these are the different types of algorithms that we have implemented. And as you could see that a total of 6 algorithms are implemented, which is FCFS, SSTF, scan, cscan, look and clook. Clicking on one of these cards will take the user to a different web page. So now let's have a look at FCFS. So this is the FCFS algorithms web page, and this web page actually contains two sections, that is the about and the implementation. So first of all, in the about section, there are two cards, and in the first card you will be finding definition, the advantages and the disadvantages of the algorithm, while in the second card you will be finding the algorithm in theory. Now this is the section where all the magic happens. So in this section, the user can actually visualize how the algorithm works by looking at a chart. So the user has to just input the required information here, their example here, and then just click on run to see the simulation. So let me just show you the same using one of my own examples here. And once you click on run, we will be able to see that a chart is loading. So this chart actually tries to show you that how the header of the disk is moving while servicing all the track requests that we have mentioned in this field. Okay, and then there are the results here. So the total seek time will tell you how much total time the header of the disk has taken to service all the tracks, and the average time, average seek time, will tell you the average time. Now here you can also see that there are two buttons, that is the download image button. This button is the download image button and this is the download PDF button. So the download image button will actually allow you to download the image of this chart, and this PDF will actually allow you to download the PDF where the explanation about how these results are generated for this example using this algorithm. So let me first of all show you the download image option. So once you click on it, and JPEG file will be downloaded, and if you open it, you will be able to see the chart image over here. Now let me show you the PDF itself. So this is the downloaded PDF, okay, and this PDF contains 3 sections. The first section contains the given information, and this is the same information that the user has inputted here in this fields. Then there is this calculation of seek operations section, where the mathematical steps for calculating the total seek time and the average seek time is mentioned. And finally there is the image of the graph. So this PDF contains only 1 page, and both of this, that is the image file and the PDF file, will be available in the downloads folder of the device of the user. So that is the path you should be looking at if you have downloaded the things. So this was it for this section of the website, and I will show you the same thing for one more algorithm. So let's consider a circular look algorithm this time. Again, this web page also has a similar design, a similar interface. There is an about section. Again, in the first card you will be finding the definition, advantages and disadvantages, and in the second section, that is the second card, you will be finding the theory of the algorithm. Again, there is an implementation section. Here you can input the necessary information and then click on run to see the simulation. Here obviously there is one more requirement of the direction for this algorithm, so you need to also select it from the drop down menu. So there is this chart here. Also, if you hover over the chart, you can see the properties for the plotting, and there is the total seek time, the average, and the 2 buttons for downloading the image and the PDF. So this was it, and the same interface is being used for all the other algorithms pages. Let me show you all of them. So we have looked at FCFS. The SSTF also has the same interface. The scan also has the same interface. The circular scan, same thing, no difference. And then finally the look. So now you might be wondering that how can you compare and find out that what algorithm would work best for your operating system? We got you covered. This website also contains a compare web page. So this will allow you to actually generate a bar chart which will be comparing the seek times for total seek times for different algorithms, and also you will be able to see the line charts of each and every algorithm simultaneously. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so this is the compare page of our website, and if you scroll down, you can see that the user needs to again add in the required information and then select the different types of algorithms that they want to compare with each other. Now before you click on compare, you can see that there are no charts visible. There is only this footer, but once you click on compare, the charts will appear below. So let me just run this using one of the examples that we have used previously. So just for fun, I will be selecting all the algorithms for now. And once you click on compare, first of all, a line chart will appear, and this line charts will be for all the algorithms that you have selected above. And then you will be able to see a bar chart. So this bar chart actually is trying to show you the different total seek times that algorithms are taking. So from this bar chart, you can conclude that the SSTF and the look algorithm are taking the least amount of time, that is 154 milliseconds. You can also download this chart using this download button. So if you click on this, you will be able to get the image of this chart. So this was all the information that you actually required for using this website. Also, I would like to show that this website is completely responsive. So this is how it will actually look on a mobile screen. And if you go on to the home page, this is how the home page will look of the website on a mobile phone. This is completely responsive on all the mobile devices. Okay, so now I'll be taking you through the different libraries that we have used for this website, so that if you want to work on this website in the future, or if you want to contribute on our GitHub page, then you could use those documentation links and learn those different libraries, how we have used them, and then update it in the future. So one of the major libraries that we have used in our website is Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a library that actually allows you to quickly add in components to your website. So for example, in our website, we have used accordions, we have used alerts, buttons, cards, then collapses, drop downs, even navigation bar is available right here. And also, as you could see, that the documentation is right here on the website itself, and it is very clearly mentioned that what all steps you need to follow in order to get that thing working on your website. It is very easy to understand and it is very user friendly. You can also directly copy and paste the code snippets in your HTML file and get it working right away. So this is one of the libraries that we have used. We have also used chart.js libraries for the graphs in our website. So again, it is very easy to understand. It's a JavaScript library, and particularly we have used the line charts and the bar charts in our website, but they also have different charts available. The dynamic charts are very easy and very beautiful. So you can also follow the documentation for the same. They are given right here for the different charts. We've also used animation on scroll libraries. So this library actually allows you to give animations to the different elements of your web page, but they will be triggered when you scroll down the page. So something like this. Again, if you want to give the animations to the elements on your website, then you can directly copy and paste the different data properties that they have given. If you want to look at their documentation, then you need to go at their GitHub repository from here, from this symbol itself. And then here in the README file, they have actually given the entire procedure for installing and how you can use the code for generating the animations and changing the properties of animations. Everything is mentioned clearly over here. We have also used one more library for animations, that is animate.css, and this is very cool because it allows you to give several different types of animations, and you can also check the animations right here on the website itself by clicking on this different types of animation names. It is very easy. You can also just copy and paste the code from here. The installation and the usage, the utility classes, everything is available on the website itself. Here's the documentation, how you could change the code, how you can change the speed of the animations and everything. So I hope you liked our work on our website, and yes, that was it. Thank you.